Welcome everyone, it's Enricojenko, Team Alliance, Blueprint for Daily Income. And I just want to talk about what I like about Power Lead System in particular. Because it helps you actually define your business. And the business that you actually choose should be one that aligns with your purpose. And when I say that, I mean I want you to look at it in terms of more than just a program is a way to make money. That's a lot of times why you jump from program to program, and I did, because I looked at it as ways to make money. I know everyone likes the new stuff, so it's always tempting to always show and promote the new stuff. But what makes it difficult for a new person to do that is because they lack the audience. So all this new stuff you show, it just looks inconsistent to everyone on the outside. It just looks like you don't know what you want to do. But if you have an audience already in place, they understand and they just tend to follow. So I always want to have programs that are evergreen. That's why I like the Power Lead System, because it puts everything else in place. So I can have different capture pages. Right, here's 2 different capture pages for 2 different parts of my business, or even the same business. It doesn't make a difference. Now, once you get your purpose and you know what business that you really want to actually push, well then that's when the Power Lead System starts to shine. Because your actual business, though you are enthralled in it and know it's the best thing since sliced bread, everyone that you market to is already in a business. So your marketing is just asking them to switch businesses. So in that case, most likely, unless you're positioned as a higher authority than that person that's seeing your advertisement and your offer, most likely they won't take action with you. So what do we do about all this? Instead of pushing our business, we use the Power Lead System and show people how to get leads for whatever business that they want to be in. So I don't care what business that you're actually in. The question is really, does the person need and want leads? And in any business that you're in, you're going to need more leads than you can shake a stick at, whatever that means, right? But you're going to need a lot of leads. I'm noticing that. I'm seeing that firsthand. unless you have a great way of communicating. I call my friend, my marketing buddy, I call him the horse whisperer, because everything he says, it sounds golden, and everyone takes action. But for most people out, the majority of people, they don't have that type of skill level. So what can they do? I'm just a telephone guy that after work decides to hop on the internet and make a buck or two. So how does it work for someone like me? I figured that instead of trying to make all these optimized ads and all this stuff that the gurus shoot at you of how you're supposed to set up your advertisement, best way to do it. I don't know. I've tried a lot of that, all of that. And they all write it in a way that it would seem to be that the results you want should be received in the first time you do it. That's what the writing says. But it's never like that. So I'm telling anyone listen to this, get leads for your business and converting them to sales. It's not a 1, 2, 3. It's more like 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. Talking in terms of numbers, it looks like that need to be had to get the results that you want consistently. But that's pushing it, because we got 593 subscribers, over 600 subscribers right now, and my business is all paid for. So we figure the next 600 subscribers or so, if we look at history and it does the same thing, it should put at least another $50 income passive into the pot. But that's me also getting ahead of myself. This is all about the process and not the result. So let me fix up where I'm thinking about this. Let's just continue on with the process. That's why these videos are here, to allow me to do the process, to show you how you can put leads into your business every single day. Good stuff. Real simple, and it works for any business. And what's so extraordinary about what we laid out here with the blueprint. So you got your business and you got to advertise and promote all the time. That means you got to come out your pocket and buy advertising to do it. What if you got a way to have a perpetual ad budget that you can always dip into, so you won't have to dip into your pocket? You can always dip into this ad budget and use that to pay for all your advertisements, all your exposure. That's how we work the blueprint system. This blueprint system added on to your power lead system is going to provide you all the leads you need for your business. The system is really a wonderful blueprint. Like, the blueprint works still to this day. You got rev shares shutting down back and forth, but you can still do the blueprint today. All right. So that's what it's about. Going through our process. Let me see what we got in our. If you got anything that you wanna rock to tonight? Let me see. See yourself making money when you begin to carry out the instructions in connection with the 6 steps described. It will be necessary for you to make use of the principle of concentration. So they're talking about a little concentration. Concentrating on your business enough, focusing on it enough to take it to the new levels. That's what we're going to do here. So, if you're into that, let me know. Questions, comments, concerns, hit me at enricojenko.info, or you can hit Facebook, enricojenko, or Facebook, Team Alliance. Alright? Find us right there. See you shortly.